Is your wrist pain not going away with the basic stretches I showed you in the first video? Well, stick around for the advanced exercises that can help solve your wrist pain. Hey guys, it's Dr. Roberts again from Nashville Neck and Back. And in our first wrist pain video, I showed you some very basic stretches that you can do at home on a regular basis. And the vast majority of the time, those stretches do a really good job at eliminating wrist pain. However, if you tried those for quite some time and it didn't seem to get rid of your wrist pain, I've got some extra stuff that you can do at home. Very easy, very simple. Today I'm going to be using a 5-pound dumbbell and this workbench, but whatever you have at home is fine. If you have a 2.5-pound, a can of soup, a hammer, any type of weighted object that weighs 5 pounds or less, depending upon your wrist pain, will work just fine. So the first exercise we're going to do is flexion. So grab your weight, whatever it is, the dumbbell, the hammer, whatever the case may be. You're going to rest your forearm on your lap, your thigh, or on a table that's a good height for you. And you're just going to drop your wrist and flex it up. Drop and flex. Now I want you to do this, pain permitting, 3 sets of 15. And try to get a good extension and flexion in both directions. Now, a little advanced tip, if you want to add a little bit of challenge to this, as you're dropping this weight down, hopefully the camera can see, as you're dropping this weight down, let your fingers extend as well. Catch the weight at the tip of your fingertips and then curl the weight back up. You're going to notice this forearm is going to start to burn because now not only are you flexing the wrist, but you're engaging some of these forearm muscles when you extend and curl those fingers. So a little bit of a double whammy exercise for the wrist and the forearm. All right, exercise number 2, we're just going to flip the wrist over and we're going to extend. Same type of motion, but your hand is just flipped the other way around. So now you're going to extend, drop, relax, and extend the weight. Again, 3 sets of 15, pain permitting. Exercise number 3. Now this is going to be kind of a challenge with this type of dumbbell because I can't grab the end of it as well as I would like. So I'm going to grab the bottom of the weight, as you can see right here. If you have the kind of dumbbell that's got like the square octagonal bottom, you can grab that a whole lot easier. Or whatever weight you're using, I want you to grab the bottom of it just like that. You're going to extend your arm out and you're going to let it drop and you're going to curl it back just like that. And again, we're going to do 3 sets of 15. I'm going to turn here in just a second so you can get a better angle. 3 sets of 15 with this one as well. Same story applies, pain permitting. If it hurts, maybe slow down, don't do as many, or if it really hurts, don't do it at all. So if I turn here, you can get a better angle. So we're keeping the forearm flat, and we're just dropping and bringing that up just like that. 3 sets of 15. All right, and the last exercise we're going to do with the dumbbell or the weight is going to be supination and pronation. Just a big fancy term for you're going to twist your wrist. So we're going to keep it out here like this, just like we did with the flexion. But instead, this time we're going to turn it left and right. Left and right. And try to go as far as you can without adding any extra pain. And guess what? Same story, 3 sets of 15. You guessed it. And that's it. Supination and pronation. Very, very easy. All right, there you have it. Very easy at-home exercises that can eliminate wrist pain. If you happen to stumble upon this video before the stretches video, I'm going to link that one right here. So check that out first and try those and see if that helps with your pain. If not, dive into the weighted exercises. Take care, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.